Foldable Clothes Dryer, the smart and portable drying solution. Efficient and space-saving design. The foldable clothes dryer is perfect for homes, dormitories, and travel. Designed with portability and convenience in mind, this compact dryer can hold up to 9 clothes at once. Its foldable structure makes it easy to store and transport, whether you're using it in an apartment, a dorm room, or on a vacation. The sleek design effortlessly complements any space while maximizing efficiency. Advanced drying technology. Featuring cutting-edge PTC heating technology, this dryer ensures fast and even drying, reducing drying time to as little as 20 minutes. The digital timer control allows you to customize the drying duration, ensuring perfect results for various fabrics. The innovative heat and airflow combination guarantees superior performance while protecting your clothes from damage. Hygienic and gentle care. Built-in LED UV technology purifies your clothes, ensuring a higher level of cleanliness and freshness. This smart dryer not only dries your garments, but revitalizes them, making it ideal for adult and baby clothing. The whisper-quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your daily routine, providing a seamless laundry experience. Energy efficient and eco-friendly. The foldable clothes dryer is designed with energy efficiency in mind. It consumes less power compared to traditional dryers, making it an eco-friendly choice that helps you save on electricity bills. Its cost-effective design is ideal for drying smaller loads, eliminating the need for a full-size dryer when you only have a few items. Specifications: automatic type, semi-automatic. Control mode, digital timer. Heating method, PTC technology. Capacity, holds up to 9 clothes. Drying time, as fast as 20 minutes. Size, compact and foldable. Upgrade your laundry routine with this smart, portable, and efficient foldable clothes dryer. Whether you're at home, in a dorm, or traveling, it's the perfect solution for quick and hygienic drying.